Hi and welcome! So you have successfully installed and activated WowETA to your Shopify store. Now, to show the estimated delivery time to your customer, you need to set your delivery rules. To do that, simply just click on this Create Delivery Rule button. Set your rule name, year preparation time, delivery time. You can set it with the number of days or hours. Then you can enable country selection from here if you operate in multiple countries. You can show or hide the ETA messages simply by enabling this message bar option. You can also edit the message from here and use these variables as you like. From here, you can change the steps. Name that you want to show to your customer, like order now or order placed, delivered or off to delivery, at your doorstep, etc. We have some very important functions that will help you to set your ETA rules specifically for your specific campaigns and conditions, like adding back order behaviors, setting workdays and cutoff time, countdown timers, visibility conditions based on country, zip code, etc. Let's check out how it works. Backorder behavior means if any of your product needs an extra few days to deliver, you show extra time for the delivery. You can do that simply just by clicking here and adding your extra days. Then you have the advanced options to add workdays and cutoff time. And for doing that, simply just click on this button. It's a part of global settings, so if you change it, it will be applicable for this ETA rules only. Now, set your working days and change your cutoff times. And like workdays and cutoff time, you can add holidays, change the date format, and also set a countdown timer. And please remember, it will override the main global setting rules of yours, so it will mainly work on your this specific ETA rule. After that, you have the option to set specific country where you want to show your ETA message from here. Just select your country names. In the same way, you can add the zip codes here. The most important feature that most of the merchants love is this, rule visibility scheduling. You can show this rule on specific time on any specific days from here. Now, you have set your ETA rules perfectly, and it's time to match your ETA card design with your Shopify store. Simply just click on this Continue button or click here on the Design tab and choose your base theme color, or change any color of your ETA message bar, step bar, and icon. And finally, to show this beautiful and most impactful ETA message to your customers, go to this, Apply to tab, to set it for your all products or for any specific products. Do not forget to save it, and congratulations! You have successfully set your ETA rules for your store using WowETA. For any help, support, and for any customization, please send an email at support@wowapps.io.